Hi there! Today I have brought some more exciting paper crafts for you. Let's begin with an umbrella. As you can see, this is a 3D umbrella and you can use a combination of two colors. Have you ever made a swan using origami paper? Well, this is not just any other swan. This is a swan which can spread its wings and fly. That is, it can flap its wings too. And we are going to make a swan just like that in a matter of few minutes only. Looks complicated? Yes, there are many folds for this craft, but trust me, the end result is totally worth it. You just have to have some patience. Watch carefully and don't miss any fold. See, we are almost there. The wings are already done. Now we are going to see how to make a crown in some simple and easy steps. It just requires making triangles and joining them together like so. Now let's make bows to paste around our crown to make it look more fancy. It's really easy and all you need is some simple paper cuts. It's time to show you how to make a bird head talk. We are going to make a paper puppet. And once it's ready, you can move it like this to make it talk. So much fun, isn't it? Now you will learn how to make a butterfly. For this, you can take two circles in different colors and sizes as shown and then fold them and glue them with another one. Then curl a pair of antennae and you are done. Let's cut a disposable mask and take out its wire to make a ring. Now let's wrap the string around this ring and let's paint it blue using a marker. Once done, we will make a paper rose. We will be using a thin strip of paper for making the rose and we need to roll the paper very precisely and minutely. It's going to be the topper of our ring. Now let's glue it and stick it to our ring. Here comes a special Valentine's Day card, a heart shape in a special basket weave pattern. And for this craft, you will need two kinds of paper strips in different colors. You just have to weave them together until you form a heart shape. And this is really easy and simple to do. It can be readied in minutes. The perfect V-Day present without spending a dime. Next, what can we make next? Let me show you how to make a box. But this will be a box slightly different. It will have a heart shape. For this craft, you can choose any kind of origami paper. It can be printed, it can be colored. It totally depends upon your choice.